Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper drawer center rail in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper drawer center rail. The crisper drawer center rail is located in the middle under this crisper glass shelf. It supports both crisper pans on one side. If the crisper pans won't easily glide in and out, check the crisper drawer center rail and replace it if it's broken. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Now we're going to take out both crisper pans, pull them out, lift and remove. Next I'm going to push up and remove the crisper glass. Next we're going to remove the crisper shelf frame. Lift up and pull out. Let's put the crisper shelf frame on a workable surface, and then we're going to remove this centerpiece. I'm going to push the front end a little bit out and push it that piece back so we can free the front end and lift it up and pull it off. This is the old crisper drawer center rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new crisper drawer central rail. This is the rear end, and this is the opening where this pin is going to mount on. Then we're going to stretch it and put it down. Now I'm going to place it back into the fridge. Okay, let's place the frame in. We have two posts at the back that are going to be slit into these two openings. And then I'm going to push it down. And now we're going to install the glass. I'm going to put it on, support it from underneath. And I'm going to install the two crisper pans. Place it on the rails and slide it in. Now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.